sound. Are you ready?
I've put no thought into this at all.
Well, typically you don't with farts. You just drop them. Jack, assume sound recorder's position.
That's a great squat from Wallace.
It's a great squat.
Oh, so far it's a fail.
Is that the quietest whoopee you could do?
That's quite good though.
Pop the whole thing. We've all been there once or twice.
Well, it's kind of what you want when you want to keep it quiet.
Was
And
that
that's-
deliberate?
No,
I
it's
was gonna
worked out
say-
well.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, it was okay. It was okay. It was
wasn't what I
definitely
wanted.
no Gonson.
It wasn't
in my
what I
opinion.
wanted.
But
Alright,
Aaron,
Stanford.
that wasn't too bad.
It wasn't too good.
I tried to give it everything
Yeah, I
too.
know.
I think yours got the funniest reaction.
Yeah,
Because
definitely.
it was
did.
unexpected, not
'Cause
because it was the
I don't
best
think you
fart.
could do that again, honestly. Also, let's not share whoopies because you get spit on it.
Yeah, I'm sick.
Sweet.
We're going round two.
Always got on the arm.
I'm attempting the bagpipe approach. This goes out to everyone watching who's from Scotland.
Oh!
That's good, honest.
Yes! The squeak!
Derek, you're up next.
Oh, he's not going the bagpipes. Is that a false start? The squeak when we thought there was
saved me.
nothing. Yes!
Yeah, you were doing so terribly. But then
Yeah,
that last
the little
squeak.
squeak. Yuck! They are good, aren't they?
Oh, that's fun. Play along at home if you want, folks.
Yeah, and you don't even need whoopee cushions, just need a lot of beans.
This has been a good start to the vid.
Oh, alright, well, should we get... Kids, make sure you get out to your $2